Good morning to everyone. I am Pooja Pawar from Perfect Logic Private Limited. In previous session, I explained about how to create tenant. In today's session, I am going to explain about how to create opening balance for the regular supplementary and for the tenant. Then how to change the opening balance for the regular supplementary and the tenant, and how to import members opening balance. Before starting the session, I will give you a quick introduction of the software. This software is specially designed for the cooperative housing societies. This software used to maintain your society's account and billing related information. It makes the society's finance clear and easy to understand. This software keeps a track of everyone's bill and payment. We are continuously enhancing our software with the new features, rolling them out to you on an ongoing basis. This is all about the software. Now let's dive into today's topic. Now let's start with how to add new opening balance for the regular bill. For this, we have to go to quick menu. In quick menu, we will go to flat shop detail. Now we are going to add the opening balance for this unit number A101. For this, we will double click on the name. As here we can see the name here. Double click on this name. When we double click on this name, then this member identification form will get open. In this member identification form, here we can see there is a opening bill detail tab. We have to click on this tab. For the adding the new opening balance for the regular bill, we have to double click on this grid. Then this form will get open. For adding the new record, we have to click on plus. Then here in bill for, we have to select the month for which we are adding this opening balance. Then here we have to enter the bill date, due date of that opening balance. Now here in principal, we have to add the opening balance principal. Like if it's 2000 rupees, we have to add this in principal amount. If there is any interest, we have to add in interest section. If you want to add the GST of this CGST, SGST amount, then we have to add this in a bill amount of GST. Then total of this GST amount is coming here. Then here we can see total amount, bill amount is 2400. This is our opening balance. Now we have to save this form. Click on save. Now here we can see the opening balance of the regular bill get added in this grid. Now we'll see how to add the new opening balance for the supplementary bill. For adding the supplementary bill opening balance, we have to double click here. Then this form will get open. Then click on plus sign. Then in type, we have to select the type of the supplementary bill. Then here we have to add the bill date, due date. Then here in principal, we have to add the principal amount. If there is some interest for this, we have to add in interest. For same, if you want to add the GST, CGST, SGST, you can add in this column. Then save this form. In this way, we can add the new opening balance for the regular bill and supplementary bill. Same if you want to edit the opening balance, then we have to come to quick menu, flat shop detail. As we want to change the regular opening, then we have to double click on the name. Then we have to go to opening bill detail. As if you want to change the regular bill opening, then double click on this grid, edit the form. If you want to change the principal amount, change it accordingly and save the form. Same for the supplementary bill. If you want to change the amount of the supplementary bill opening, then double click on this, edit the form and make the changes accordingly and save this form. In this way, we can make changes in the opening balance of the regular bill and supplementary bill. Now, if you want to delete this supplementary bill, then you have to click on this delete record. Click on yes. In this way, the supplementary bill opening will get deleted. Same for the regular bill. If you want to delete this record, click on this cross sign delete record. Then this record will get deleted. This is about how to enter the opening balance for the member of regular bill and supplementary from the form level. Now we are going to see how to change. Now we are going to see how to add or change the opening balance for the regular bill and supplementary bill for the member in a bulk. For this, we have to go to utility. In utility, we have to click on database utility. Then in database utility, click on tab input member opening balance. Here we can see there are filters are here. You can choose your filter accordingly. If you want to change or add a new opening balance for the member for the supplementary or regular bill, then click on show button. Then previously added opening balance you can see here. Now if you want to here in a opening bill for, you have to select the month for which you want to add the opening balance. If you want to add the supplementary balance, then in bill type, you have to select the for which bill type you want to add the supplementary bill. If you want to select only particular member, then you can select this wing, building, then wing, unit number, then that only particular member record will show. Then you can change it accordingly as you want to select all the members. Then we have to reload this form. Click on show. Here we have to select the opening bill for March and for the supplementary general. Now here we can see there is a wing, unit number, member name are here in a column. R principal means the regular opening balance. If you want to add the regular principal opening balance, then you can add in this grid. For the regular interest, R interest means regular interest. R tax is the regular tax, regular bill tax. R total is the regular bill total opening. Then if yes principal means supplementary bill principal. Yes interest is supplementary interest. Yes tax is the supplementary bill tax. And yes total is supplementary bill total. If you will see one record for A102, if you want to add the opening balance for the regular bill, we will enter in this R principal amount, 5,000 rupees. Now they don't have any interest, so we'll keep it blank. So for adding the regular bill opening balance, we have to add it in an R principal. Now if you want to add only the supplementary bill for the member, for this A103, want to add only the supplementary bill, then we will click on this S principal. And here S interest will add the interest amount. In this way, we can add the supplementary bill opening. If there is a member who want to add both the supplementary and regular opening, we'll do this for A104. For this member, they want to add both the supplementary and regular opening balance. Then we will add it. in regular, and here in supplementary principal will add one amount. In this way, we can add both the supplementary and regular opening in a same row. Then the total of this is showing in this column. Now, click for saving this record, we have to click on save. Click on OK. Now we'll come to this form again. If you want to print this opening balance, then when we click on the print, then opening balance will get printed. If you want to export this opening balance in Excel, then click on export to Excel. Then all the opening balance will get exported to the Excel sheet. Now we'll see these changes get reflected in the member flat shop detail. For this, we will go to quick menu. In quick menu, click on flat shop detail. Here we can see as this 5,000 rupees opening balance we have added for this member A10T102 now reflected in it. For viewing in detail, we will go to member identification form, opening bill detail. Here we can see opening balance will get added. Now we'll see for this A102, A103, we have added supplementary bill. Now the supplementary bill get added in this supplementary bill opening balance grid. For this A104, we have added both the regular and supplementary opening. Here we can see both the regular and supplementary bill opening get added in the grid. This is all about how we can add the opening balance for the member of regular and supplementary bill in a bulk. Now we are going to see how to import members opening balance. For importing member opening balance, we will go to utility, database utility. Here in database utility, we have to click on import member opening balance. When we need members opening, when we need to import members opening balance, when in previous year we have made some changes in a bill or receipt. In this case, if we want to reflect that changes in a current year like 2025-26, in this case we will come to here members opening balance. We will import this member opening balance. Then whatever the changes we have made in a previous year will get reflected in a current year. For this, we will come to import members opening balance. This is filter. If you want to select import only particular members opening balance, then we will select this filter. We select building name, wing name, then unit number. Then click on show members previous year closing balance. When we click on this, then whatever the previous opening closing balance of that member will show in this grid. Here we can see this is members regular opening balance, and this one is supplementary bill opening balance. Now we'll see for the all. If you want to add, import all the members opening balance, then we don't need to select any filter. Just we have to click on show members previous year closing balance. Then all the members closing balance of the previous year will show here. This will become the current year opening balance. Here we can see in a lower section, this one is the supplementary balance. Upper one is regular bill balance. Then here we can see this option merge supplementary bill arrear and interest for the different bill type. This option is used when if in a previous year there is a supplementary bill for the particular member who generated the supplementary bill for the different types like general or the repair fund in this type, and they want to merge the interest. They want to merge the supplementary bill arrear interest of that different type. In this way, for this we will tick on this option and have to select the type for which we want to merge this. Then the all that supplementary different areas will combine in a single supplementary bill. As we want to transfer the members opening balance, then we have to click on transfer it as a member's current year opening balance. Click on this option. Then this will ask for, are you sure to transfer member opening balance data? Then click on yes. Now here we can see data transfer successfully. Click on yes. Okay. This will ask for, do you want to update all subsequent members bill? If you want to update this in all subsequent members bill, then click on yes. Have to click OK. Now this will ask for, do you want to transfer other heads opening balance also? Means if you want to transfer previous year opening balance other than the member, then for this case we have to click on yes, otherwise you can click on no. Now click on OK. This option will transfer other than members opening balance like bank or any other heads balance. At the end, we have to prepare database to reflect all the changes. In this way, we can transfer previous year opening closing balance to current year as the opening balance. Now we are going to see how to change or add the opening balance for the tenant. For this, we will go to masters. In master, we'll go to member. In member, we'll go to member identification form. Sorry, we will go to master member. In member, tenant nominal member identification form. As we want to add the new, if you want to add the opening balance for the member, then edit the form. Go to opening bill. Then double click on this. Then form will get open. Click on plus sign. Here you can add the tenant opening balance. Select the type of that supplementary bill. Then here enter the bill date. Then enter the due date. Here we'll enter the principal opening balance. Then click on save. In this way, we can add the opening balance for the tenant. If you want to make any changes in that opening balance, then double click on this grid, edit the form, then make the changes accordingly and save the form. In this way, we can change the member identification. In this way, we can change the tenant opening balance. This is all about the opening balance. That up till now we have seen how to add opening balance for the form level, how to add the opening balance in bulk, how to add the opening balance for the tenant, then how to import members opening balance. This is all about the opening balance. Thank you everyone for joining the session.